Hi, I'm Matt with Ballast Tools Equipment. Today we're going to review the operation of our tie head attachment when using it on track. Position the backhoe over the ties to be changed and lower the outriggers. Once the tie is loose, grab either end or the middle of the tie and swing the boom while rotating the tie head to keep the tie moving out in a straight line. You may need to curl the bucket slightly to keep the tie from dragging on the base of the rail. Grab the new tie and use the bucket curl to angle the tie up and get it stabbed in under the first rail. Once it is sufficiently under the first rail, close the jaws and place the ends of the jaws against the end of the tie and push it through the crib and under the second rail. Pushing against the end of the tie will eliminate it from binding up under the rail while holding it and pushing it into position. Pushing on the end also allows for the ability to steer the tie. Thanks for watching, and for more information, check out our website. And as always, be safe out there.